Welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is M Designs. I focus on streetwear, embroidery, and digitizing. I use some puff prints that I got from Ton Atelier. I'll also be unboxing a product that I got from Rene Bassett, who I just partnered up with for my new blanks. Let's get into it. These puff print transfers are from Ton Atelier. I'll make sure to have them linked in the description below, and I've been seeing this stuff around, just had to test the quality out for myself. The design is clean, and I really want to see how the puff reacts under pressure. Over the past few years, I've been using American Apparel for my blanks. My go-to is a 1301. It's a nice heavyweight tee, 100% cotton, relaxed fit. So before we start pressing this puff transfer, we have to pre-press our garment. So here we're gonna set our machine to 370 at 8 seconds with medium pressure. I don't want to make it too firm because if I press the puff transfer with a firm pressure, it ends up flattening out the whole puff. And if you've never worked with puff transfers before, it's basically a screen printed design that has a special additive to it that expands under heat, giving it that raised and textured feel. This is the result, a smooth matte finish and a nice raised feel. So I've been working on this design for a while now. It's inspired by Psalms 20 verse 7, which says, "Some trust in chariots and some in horses, but we trust in the name of the Lord our God." I just partnered up with Rene Bassett, and this is the design that I used to test out their garments. And I'm excited to open it with you guys, so let's see how it looks. This is their cream oversized tee, which is 300 GSM. It's a nice oversized fit, short sleeves, has that heavyweight feel, that soft touch. I've always used American Apparel for my clothing brand, and they're still in my rotation, but these Rene Bassett blanks definitely compete in terms of build and texture. I finally decided to upgrade my machine from the Brother PE535 to the Brother NQ1700E, which is a 5x7 and a 6x10 hoop size. It allows me to do bigger projects than the machine that I had before, which was only limited to 4x4. A machine like that, the most you can do is locals for company, if you're doing chest locals or if you're doing patches. So if you're looking to start out an embroidery business or just embroidery as a hobby, I would recommend going for a machine that's within your price range and also offers a hoop size that's 5x7. Recently, I switched from tearaway stabilizer to cutaway stabilizer. I would suggest going with a cutaway stabilizer, which helps holding your design, especially if it's a large design. It helps to hold it in place without any stretching or warping. This is the 2mm puffy foam, which I'll be using to test out the puff embroidery. I'll be using my 6x10 embroidered hoop. For puff embroidery, you want to make sure that your design is digitized for puff embroidery. Let me know what you think in the comments, especially if you've tried puff transfers or foam embroidery. Hit that like and subscribe button and stay locked in for more content.